Infomercials.
Do I need to be looking at?
Yeah, we also offer the
Swamp ass. Severe. Swamp ass. Severe swamp ass. I am not.
infomercials.
Alright, just go.
Swamp ass. Severe
What is wrong with us?
Swamp ass is funny.
Yeah. I don't know why you want to say it?
Yeah, I'll say it.
You don't know what swamp ass is? Swamp ass is where you get super sweaty and no, I'm serious. Swamp ass is where you get super sweaty and it sweats down your ass and it feels like your ass is a swamp.
Oh.
Pretty much just sweaty ass syndrome.
Is there a diagnosis for that?
Oh my
That happens
God.
to me at work
Yeah,
all
they
the
give you
time.
Tylenol and they spank you. Yeah, like the football that Con got hit in the head with during the catch episode. You can even get the football that Con got hit in the head with during our catch episode. Or you can even get the football that Con got hit in the head with during our catch episode.
That wasn't his head.
Come on, Alec.
No.
You can even get the football Con got hit in the head with during the catch episode. It wasn't hard enough. You can even get the football Con got hit in the head with during the catch episode. You can even get the football Con got hit in the head with during our catch episode.
I missed. I'm sorry.
It's gonna be an opportunity.
Give me your head. Just give me your head.
You can even get the football Con got hit in the head with during our catch episode. Oh my God.
And this boxing glove using our video. And this boxing glove that we used in our and this boxing glove that we used in our other video. Oh. And this boxing glove that we used in our other video. Alec! No more camera for you.
Also, we have the head-seeking football. This is the one I was mentioning earlier. Also, we have this head-seeking football. During our outside episode, it hit Alec in the back of the head, and it's been known to kill anybody who crosses its path. I haven't seen it happen to anybody except for Alec, though. Or you can even get the football that Kyle got hit in the head with.
You okay there?